Replacement filter cartridge. Pack of 4 cartridges fits Marineland Emperor Pro Power Filter 450. Also fits original Emperor Power Filters 280 and 400. Easy to install. Pre-assembled cartridges slide easily into place, providing mechanical and chemical filtration and making replacement fast, dry and effortless. 3-stage filtration. Mechanically filters water through a pad of double-thick poly fiber. Chemically filtered through black diamond premium activated carbon. Bio-wheel technology delivers wet, dry biological filtration for nitrifying bacteria growth. From industry firsts to industry standards, Marineland products are designed with both performance and style in mind. We push precision and power beyond the expected and listen to our loyal customers to make our products even better. We do this because at the heart of our innovative spirit is a desire to help hobbyists everywhere do more, create more and, most of all, enjoy more. So whatever your customers are passionate about, freshwater or saltwater, big or small, beauty or science, help them make their aquarium their own. Make it Marineland. Marineland Rite-Size Cartridge Refills feature black diamond premium activated carbon which works twice as fast and keeps working after other carbons quit. These cartridges also come in a variety of sizes to meet any filtration need. Each cartridge is pre-assembled and meets the highest standard of water purification and operational ease. For best results, change cartridge every 2 to 4 weeks for a crystal clear, healthy aquarium. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome product loaded with tons of charcoal. Not like those other places that send you flimsy light blue covering you can see through with barely any charcoal in them where you can't wash and reuse them like most of us do. And at this price, whoa. Good example, look at my pictures. The dark blue ones came from here, the washed out looking ones to the right I got from a competitor. I have made this purchase 11 times and only had one problem with one of the boxes I got on the last shipment. Problem was too much charcoal and had spilled out all in the bag they came in. But believe it or not, there was still plenty of charcoal left in the filter. Lol, and as I said, only happened once in the past 11 shipments and I usually get 3 or 4 boxes at a time.